Hello there, you are welcome to my channel. And so in today's video, I want us to take a look at some highlights of a royal funeral which was held at Asante. You realize that there will be a lot of chiefs. So we have the Kuntinasi, who of course happens to be the chief of the Kuntinasi state in the Asante kingdom. Now, the deceased is actually the second in command of the Asante kingdom. Now, the Asante kingdom was a very powerful kingdom and still a very powerful kingdom which emerged somewhere in the 16th century. And history will tell you that Asante is a union of petty states that came together to fight for freedom or independence from another powerful state in the forest area known as Denchira. And so the death of or the deceased is the second in command of the Asante kingdom, which then means that this is supposed to be a very, very big festival in the Asante kingdom. And so in an occasion like this, it is attended by all chiefs in the various states within the kingdom. And so this is the Bonsu chief, the chief of the Bonsu state, where the kente or the popular kente cloth is weaved. And so this is a very big, funeral, and it's a time to show culture. It's a time to show who we are as a people. And watching these scenes gives you that sense that the African or the Ghanaian or the Asante culture is really not dead at all, and that it is still as vibrant as it were during the pre-colonial and even the colonial period, despite the advance of Western culture on the life of the African. And these are the king's drummers. These drummers drum just behind the king. This is also another Asante chief from Fiapre. He happens to be a professor, and then he is also making his way towards the funeral. So as I said, in such a big and royal funeral like this, all the chiefs within the states of the Asante, they come together to mourn the death of one of their kind. And this also being the second in command of the kingdom, it means that it will attract a lot of people. So this is just a 1 week. This is not even the funeral proper. This is just a 1 week. The funeral will be held later on after this. And so you can imagine the number of people that will actually troop in to this area, to just come and watch. So these are beautiful pictures. I know you love them. I couldn't get the names of all the chiefs. This is the Hemang. Couldn't get the names of all the chiefs, and so there are some of them that have chiefs, names, attached to them, or their area of kinship. And so if you happens to know any of them who did not have his name attached, you can also share that in the comment section. This is their dance, my own. This is where I'm from, dance. You can see him dancing. Now these dances are not, joyful dance. They are very, they are sorrowful dance. They are mourning the death of their second commander as the chief, the army commander. And so, like I said, if you know any of the names of the chiefs, you can share that in the comment section. So Asante simply also means Asante, you understand, because of war. And so when you look at most of the chiefs, most of them will come with guns. And this question people normally ask, so why is it that Asante chiefs are always, peddling guns around? Whenever they are coming to a gathering like this, you find them with guns and all of that. The Asantoa, a woman queen, will be with a gun. And it's basically, Asante chiefs were warlike chiefs. warlike chiefs. And when we say warlike, even when you look at the reason why the name country, the country or the Gold Coast was named Ghana, was mainly because of the warlike chief of or the nature, the warlike nature of our chiefs. This is also the Aguna here. So ancient Ghana had chiefs who were very warlike, and even the name Ghana originally means warlike, war chief or is warlike chief. And so Asantes, you look at their name because of Asante. So because of war, Isa means war. So Isa Inti because of war. And so Asante, and it has become known as Asante. So because of war, these petty states came together to form the kingdom known as Asante. And so they went to fight off their enemy, the danger. And that is how come most of the chiefs within the state do have or do come with them guns anytime they are coming to such event. So if you are for witnessing, you may also find in the video some of the queens of the Asante kingdom also in there. So yeah, this is also the Bompata Hene. Enjoy the video and do not forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.
Mami.
Mahine. Akwamu Edumasa ehine Akwamu Edumasa ehine
Amante, Mahima. Asante, Hinema, no. Why you come back to the castle? No, Amante, Mahima. That's a Bonsu back at you. Kamalaya Taba. I need your mother. What did you make your beer do a dream more? The best is said. One let's just say, traditional council. What's your buyer? 500 Ghana cities. 500 Ghana cities. It is Asante, Apuna, Nana Zedra, Nana Champoba, Etansa, Yato, Nana Champoba, Etansa, Yato, Apuna, Bahima.